Okay, quiz prep video, quiz number 3, over representative government. If you're watching this video, you're one of my brilliant students who's ready to make 100 on tomorrow's quiz. Congratulations. All right. Documents that you need to study. We could ask you anything from 13 Colonies brochure, document number 5. We could ask you anything off of number 7, Jamestown book questions, and title Jamestown, Virginia, the first permanent settlement. Anything from the notes from Tuesday over the English laws, and anything over notes from Wednesday, all right, representative government. Now, these two are the bulk of the quiz. The other documents are old material, okay, but we definitely continue to keeping that thing, material from the past on current quizzes. So, for the English laws, okay, Magna Carta, Petition of Rights, English Bill of Rights. As you read them, we talked about this in class today, how this one was the most difficult because the concepts are kind of similar. So as you are reading through your notes, go through and say, hey, I know what's similar, what's actually different between them. If you weren't able to take really clear notes, go to the class website for week 4. They're posted there, all the notes that go in here. As part of the notes, it discussed what was established. So what did the Magna Carta establish? What did the Petition of Rights establish? What did the English Bill of Rights establish? Okay? Pay attention to that wording and those sections. Now, for the other notes, the foldable notes here, you know, when you flip it over, it was the who and the where, but underneath that was the significance. Pay attention to that, study that. What was the significance of each of these 4 concepts or documents that we were talking about? And the House of Burgess, General Court, Mayflower Compact, Fundamental Orders of Connecticut. Okay, so what were the significance of each of them? Now this one we discussed in class was easier because there's a degree of variance between these. They're not so similar. Okay, so these are easier. Okay, those are the things to study. I'm not going to, we've covered this in class in depth, so I'm not going to define any of that for you. Format of the quiz is 10 questions, 1 bonus. All right, so you're looking at 11 questions. There'll be a class set. You'll put all your answers on a clean piece of paper with a heading in your class period. First and third period, Merry Christmas. I am going to give you a word bank. Everybody else, your word bank is in your brain. All right? Be bold, be brilliant, okay? And know all of the words because you'll have to pull them up yourself from your brain. Okay, that's it, and I'll see you tomorrow.